morning. Good morning, beautiful face. What are you doing? Huh? What's she doing? Good morning. Are you ready to go? You're not. Well, I have to go to work and you have to go to school. Why? Because you have to buy. Yes. Yes, I do. We gotta go get. How you go get milk and diapers? Kai, you don't want me to go to work today? Huh? You don't want me to go to work today? You want me to stay and chill with you? You do. I love you. You love me? Where you go? You don't love me. I think you do love me. Do you love me?